Good morning, dear students. Today our topic is alter command. As we know that alter is a DDL command and it is used to change the definition of any existing table. By using alter command, we can add columns to a table, we can delete columns to a table and change its data type and the size of data type as well. Alter command can be used for multiple purposes, and here are some purpose of using alter command. It is used to add and delete columns. It is used to change data type and the size of data type. It is used to change the default value and setting not null. And by using alter command, we can also change the order of the column. Okay, so quickly we will go on our command line of SQL. We will click here and we will open. We will enter the password, and here first of all my command is show data bases. It is showing a database and I want to use RAM database change. Now I want to know how many tables are inside that RAM database, and there is only one table RAM. Okay, now I will see the description. I will see the whole structure of the table by using desc RAM command, desc table length, and here I know that there are three fields: roll number, class, name, and here are the data types. Roll number is of integer data type, class is of tiny int data type, and name is of varchar data type. Okay, so here are null is accepted, means you can leave that column empty because null is yes. Because if you leave any column empty, then it will take by default null. Okay, now there is no primary key and there is one default value for class, that is 12. Okay, now first of all what we will do, we will add or delete column by using alter command. Okay, so I will write the command alter table, the name of the table is RAM, and I want to add column. And what will be the column? Roll number, name, class, and section. My new column name is section. And what will be the data type of section? Varchar 10 will be enough. Okay, you can take any number. It will tell the this section field will take exactly 10, less than 10 characters. Okay, so our section will be completed less than 10 characters. So I will use varchar 10 only, and if I press the enter key, query executed. Now again I will see the description of my table. So here you can see one field section is added. Okay, now what if I want to delete any field? Then I will use the command alter table RAM, then I will write drop name, no drop class. Okay, drop class, that will be enough. Drop column class, column class. Okay, query executed. Again I will see the description, then you can see class will be deleted. Okay, so here what we will do, we will add again class, add class, and data type is add. Okay. Add column class, data type add. Okay, it is executed, and if you see the definition, we added class once again. Okay, so our first point is done. Now in our first point we are adding or deleting column. Now if you want to change the data type and its size, okay, now if I want to change the data type, let us suppose there is section, I want to change the data type from class to int to tiny int, because I know that class is maximum 12. We don't need integer, we can change it to tiny int. Okay, so how can we do this? Okay, so here I will write command alter table ram, and I will write modify column name is roll number, and I will change the data type tiny int. Okay, query executed. Now again you can see the description. Initially a roll number has a data type int, now it is tiny int. Okay, now what if I want to change the size of database as well? Then I will write the command modify name where char. Initially you can see that where name is storing 20 characters. Now where char 20, I will change it to 50. Okay, now query executed. Again I will see the description. Here you can see initially name has a varchar 20, now it is varchar 50. So this is how we can change the data type and the size of data type as well. Now my third point is to change default value and not null. Okay, now here you can see that there is no default value. I will add default value for class, and by default value will be 12. So how can I do this? Alter table ram, then I will again write alter class set default 12. Okay, my command is alter table ram or alter, then class is the name of the column, set default 12. Now if I see the description again, here you can see that initially class having a default value null, but now it is having a default value 12. Now how can we set not null? For that I will write for this alter table ram modify roll number, roll in data type of that field is int. I will write int, then not null. Okay, now after writing not null, what does it mean? You cannot leave roll number blank, because by default what happened, all these value are by default value is null. If you don't give any value, it will take by default null. But here I am saying that roll number is not null. Okay, so if I run here, it is executed. Again I will see the description. Here you can see that all three fields name, section and class can accept null. You can leave these three columns blank, but you cannot leave roll number blank because null is no here. It will not accept null value. Okay, and at the last you can change the order of the column as well, and for that there are two commands. First command, to I can put any column at first. Let us suppose I want to put name at first, then roll number. So I will write the command alter table ram modify name, then its data type where char 20 FIR Stephen. Okay, query executed. Here if I see the description, here you can see that initially roll number was the first field, now name is the first field. You can set any column first by using that command. Now, what if I want to put a class first and section later on? Then I will again write the command modify class int. I will write section where char 10. I will alter table ram modify section where char 10 of after class okay. Now query executed. If I see the description, you can see that class is now first, and initially class was the last field. Now class is the second last and section is last field. So here we can, by using this, we can change the order of the field as well. Now one last thing I want to tell you, that how can we rename the field. Now here you can see it is only written roll, but what if I want to write the roll number? Then I will write the command alter table ram change old column name is roll and new column name is roll underscore number. Okay, here we will write without comma, without any keyword. I will simply write roll, old column name, then space, then new column name. Okay, and the data type of the new column, and then I will press the enter key. Again, if you can see the description, here you can see roll number is now changed to, roll is changed to the roll number. Okay students, this is all about the alter command. Thank you students, and keep learning.